How to put your Facebook cover photo on private. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I will show you how you can make your Facebook cover photo private, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now what you want to do is open up Facebook and just come to your profile page. As you can see my current cover photo over here. If I tap on the view profile cover option, and then if I tap on the three dots from the top right, other people say that you'll be able to find the edit privacy button, but as you can see I do not have that option in the first place. That is because this process simply does not work. Facebook does not allow you to make your cover photo private. Now you keep in mind that why would you want to make your cover photo private? If you want to make it private, then you can simply try to delete it, because if you're trying to make it private, then it means that you don't want anyone else to view your cover photo. So it basically means that you can also simply try to delete your cover photo if you don't want others to see it. That is the one thing I suggest you. However, there is also another thing, that is that if I want to upload a new cover photo and I do not want others to be notified of this update, what I can do is I can just tap on it and I'll choose the option that I've selected uploaded in Facebook already before. And once I do that, I'll just go to uploads and then I'll choose a cover photo that I want to add. And once I do that, you want to just untick the option that says share update to newsfeed. When you untick this, other people are not going to get notified that you have changed your cover photo. Now you can tap on the save option over here and refresh it. Other people won't be notified, but your cover photo will be changed. But keep in mind that if you do not want others to see it, the only way to hide it is to delete it, because even if you've locked your profile photo and your cover photo is still going to be visible and no one can change that setting for you. Hope this video answered your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.